Hello guys, welcome back my channel. Today we are trying CapCut hack edit from TikTok. So let's start the video. Add your clip and add slow-mo. Add a keyframe at the beginning and end of your clip. Go to opacity and make it 50 for the keyframe on the end. Do this for every clip. Add a white overlay. Make it as short as your clip. Go to blend. Overlay. Go to animation out. Fade out for the whole overlay. Do this for every clip. Add halo blur. Speed 100, intensity 30. Shorten it a little until you like it. Do this for every clip. Add your coloring if you want. Let's see the result. Thanks for watching. If you like the video then press like button and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe.